How to create a new Instagram account. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how we can create a new Instagram account. For that, you need to open your Instagram account. Here I am logged into my old account. Now to create a new Instagram account, click on the profile icon at the bottom of this home page. Then click on the three horizontal lines at the top of the screen. You will find settings and privacy. Click on it to access more settings. Here scroll down until the end. You will find add account option. Click on add account option and here choose create new account option. You will be redirected to this page where you will have to choose a new username. After you choose the new username, click on next. Now create a password here. Once you enter a new password here, click on next to proceed. Here click on complete sign up and wait for a while. It will take some time to register. You're almost there. If you want to get Facebook suggestions, you can click on continue. If you don't want, click on skip button. And you have successfully created a new Instagram account. So this is how you can create a new Instagram account. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.